Concerns over H1N1 influenza are growing amid seasonal respiratory infections, but the centre has issued an important reassurance. There is no evidence of a new or unusually dangerous influenza strain circulating in India. The Union Health Ministry, ICMR, and NCDC are closely tracking influenza activity across the country through a nationwide surveillance network. So what is happening with H1N1? According to ICMR Director General Dr. Rajiv Bahal, the H1N1 viruses currently circulating in India are consistent with the seasonal pattern seen in recent years. Genomic surveillance has identified the virus as an influenza E H1N1 strain with genetic changes that are considered part of the virus's normal evolution. These changes are known as antigenic drift, minor genetic changes that commonly occur as seasonal influenza viruses circulate. Importantly, authorities say there is no unusual genetic shift indicating the emergence of a new influenza threat. Should you be worried about H1N1? For most otherwise healthy people, seasonal influenza is generally a mild and self-limiting illness. Typical symptoms include fever, cough, sore throat, headache, body ache, fatigue and weakness. Most people recover with adequate rest, fluids and supportive care. However, some groups need to be more cautious, particularly elderly people, young children, those with underlying medical conditions and people with weakened immunity. What should you do if you develop symptoms? The advice from health authorities is simple. Maintain good respiratory hygiene. Cover your mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing. Wash your hands regularly and avoid close contact with others when you are unwell. And there is one important warning. Do not take antibiotics or antiviral medicines on your own. Seek medical advice, particularly if symptoms are severe, persistent or getting worse. Why is the government monitoring H1N1 so closely? India has 73 virus research and diagnostic laboratories under the DHR ICMR network monitoring circulating respiratory viruses. This surveillance helps health authorities detect changes in the virus, track disease severity, and identify any unusual trends at an early stage. An isolation ward has been prepared at Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Narayan Hospital in Delhi following a high incidence of H1N1 influenza cases in the national capital. H1N1 is circulating in India, but current evidence does not point to a new or unusually dangerous strain. So, the message from health authorities is clear. Stay informed, take precautions, but don't panic. For most people, seasonal influenza remains a manageable respiratory infection, but those at higher risk should seek medical advice promptly if symptoms develop.